KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 11th of March. I'm James Spann. Much of the day today should be dry, but a batch of strong storms will likely roll in here late this afternoon and this evening, maybe producing strong winds. Let's take a look at things. There's the upper air look. The better dynamic flow is going to be a little north of the state for the next 7 days, but still we're close enough to see waves passing by from time to time. And again, we'll catch a batch of storms later today. It's a mild March morning. Temperatures mostly upper 50s and low 60s. Cooler over the Tennessee Valley. Decatur sitting at 50, but we're expecting a high in the low 70s in most spots today. There is a dense fog advisory for parts of South Alabama this morning. That will be dissipating a little later. Otherwise, things pretty quiet across the country on the watch warning map. So that's the severe weather outlook for today, and we've got an MCS that has formed. That's a look at the MCS this morning over parts of Missouri, Kansas, and extreme northwestern Arkansas. That was a radar at 4:58. And that batch of storms will move steadily to the east-southeast, and that will likely wind up in West Alabama later this afternoon. In our state, we have the standard slight risk, level 2 out of 5, for places like Tuscaloosa, Fayette, Hamilton, Sulligent, Reform, Utah, York, and Livingston. The yellow areas, and then a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, as far east as Pell City, Talladega, Rockford, and Prattville. And we'll talk about this in just a moment. This is tomorrow. Got the core risk of severe storms north of the state, from Little Rock up toward Louisville. We do note there is a low-end marginal risk over the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. That would include Florence, Decatur, Athens, Russellville, Huntsville. And on day 3, no thunder expected across Alabama on Friday. There could be a few scattered showers, a marginal risk well to the west over parts of Texas. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals, parts of Arkansas and Tennessee, and a very sharp gradient in Alabama. Rain amounts for the Tennessee Valley about 2.5 inches. This is between now and Wednesday morning of next week. 1/2 to 1 inch for Birmingham, Anniston, and Gadsden, Tuscaloosa, and really not much at all for the southern half of the state. The Gulf Coast looks great for spring break folks headed down that way. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the OZ run, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Little wave coming through, and again, that's going to produce an MCS, which obviously is on the board now. And let's see how the models handle that. This is 1 o'clock this afternoon. The high-res NAM depicting the MCS over West Tennessee, North Mississippi. 4 o'clock this afternoon. It's already into North Alabama, North and West Alabama. And the winds look unidirectional on the forecast soundings, so the main issue with this would be strong winds and maybe some hail as cold air aloft will be involved. And then by 7 o'clock, the thunderstorm complex should be weakening and down to the south of Birmingham at that point. So that batch of storms will likely enter the northwestern part of the state, maybe 2 o'clock this afternoon. So the window for severe storms about 2 o'clock running through maybe 8, 9 o'clock tonight. And we'll keep an eye on them. Anytime you get storms in March, you have to watch them. So this is tomorrow. Got a surface low that's over southern Missouri, and it looks like the better chance of showers and thunderstorms should be over the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. There might be a strong storm there, but really for the southern 2/3 of the state, the day looks dry and mild, highs up in the low to mid-70s. Now, Friday, a front pushes in here, and it's going to stall out near the Tennessee state line. But that could clearly bring a band of showers. And here, not expecting any thunder at this point. No severe weather opportunities here, but cloudy, a chance of showers. Highs probably upper 60s on Friday. And then Saturday, that front will kind of stay over southern Tennessee, maybe drift north as a warm front. And again, I think much of the state dry. That's the GFS. This is the European. Again, I guess you might mention the chance of isolated showers, and we'll do that. But again, a pretty good chunk of the day Saturday dry, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, highs around 70. This is Sunday. We'll bring in the chance of showers, but again, this is not a washout or an all-day rain. Chance of scattered showers Sunday with a high close to 70. Monday, same thing, a few scattered showers, nothing too widespread. We'll be well up in the 70s, very mild. And Tuesday, again, the chance of showers, highs in the 70s. And a week from today, that's the big picture there. Western trough, eastern ridge, and a shower possible, but nothing too widespread or heavy. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 20th. A little shortwave approaching, and that looks like we'll have a chance of showers. Now, this is the rain over the next 15 days, and the mean on the European for Birmingham is between 3 and 4 inches, and that's pretty much to be expected. Like we've been saying here, March is the wettest month of the year. If you're looking for cold air, look somewhere else. Look at the numbers for the next 15 days. On most days, highs up in the 70s, lows in the 50s and 60s, maybe flirting with 80 on a couple of days next week. And the CPC outlook, March 18th through the 24th, cold in the west, but still mild in the east with temperatures above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.